Okay, my name is Philip Dogger, and I've lived in Singapore for a very long time. And I just moved, I relocated to a new shop at Orchard Road here. Well, I knew some people that actually gave the reference to this place, and I worked a little bit with Derek Tan, who actually is the designer that helped me with everything. It's amazing because I wasn't really sure what I wanted, but I kind of gave him really strange ideas, and then from that, I mean, he showed his mind, which is good when it comes to that, and then he came up with this theme, which I really like. Like when you go in there, I wanted it to be a little clean, and then from there he started, adding in things. I think actually the counter was not something I ever thought of. It's again Derek Tan that came up with that counter, and I just loved it right away. If you really want to get a good job and a good design, you hit up Livinci and especially Derek Tan. They will hook you up with anything.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.